Hello students, we are doing chapter number 3. Hello students, today we will start chapter number 3, rational numbers. So first thing is, what are the rational number? The number which you can express in the form of p by q are called as rational numbers. But condition is that this p and q means numerator and denominator should be integers, and this denominator q should not be 0. Only this place 0 should not come, other remaining all the numbers will come under rational number. So if we follow these two conditions, p and q are integer and q should not be 0, in that case all the integers will come under rational number, and all the fractions also will come under rational number, because fractions also we can represent in the form of p by q. But every rational number is not a fraction, it is not compulsory. In few examples, rational number may be a fraction, but not every time. For example, suppose if we are talking about minus 2 by 3, or we are talking about 2 by minus 5, then these two cases are rational number, but these are not fractions. Why? Because in the definition of fraction we have learned numerator and denominator should be whole number. And you can see here this minus 2, if you consider this numerator, this is not a whole number, it is an integer. And here in second case also, here denominator is not a whole number. So if numerator and denominator both are whole number, then we will call it as a fraction. And for rational number definition, according to rational number definition, it should be integer. And we know all the whole numbers are coming under integer. So rational numbers, these conditions are rational number, but these are not fractions. And we can say 0 is also we will consider as rational number, because 0 we can write as 0 by 1. And denominator is here 1, denominator is not equal to 0, so it will come under rational number. But 1 by 0, if it is written 1 by 0, then it is not a rational number, because according to the rational number definition, 0 should not be in denominator. After this, next thing you will learn about positive and negative rational numbers. Positive rational number, so this if the final symbol is plus, then we will call it a positive rational number. So this type of example, 5 by 7 is a positive rational number, or minus 5 by minus 7. In this case also minus to minus will cancel out, and finally you will get 5 by 7. So this is also a positive rational number. Or it may be written like this, plus 3 by plus 5. Then also finally it will be plus. So this is also positive, this is also positive rational number, this is also a positive rational number. And for negative rational number, finally we will get minus symbol. For example, minus 5 by 7. So one minus symbol is here. Or 5 by minus 7. This is also a negative rational number. Or minus 5 by 7. We can put this minus here, here or here. So in all the three cases, these are negative rational number. These type of cases will come under positive rational numbers. Next thing, we have a standard form of rational number, or we can say simplest form of rational number. This is similar to standard form of fraction or simplest form of fraction. So suppose if you have a rational number like this, 12 by 15. So what is the condition here? Nothing should be common in denominator and numerator. So here you can see 12 and 15 we can cancel by 3 table. So 3 is common, 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Now this 4 by 5, this 4 by 5 we will call it as standard form of rational number, because after this step we cannot cancel out anything. So this is the standard form or the simplest form of rational number. Next you will learn about equivalent rational number. This is also similar to equivalent fraction. if you have a rational number 3 by 5 and you have to find out equivalent rational number, so you can multiply with different number. First you can multiply with 2, then you will get 6 by 10. 6 by 10 and 3 by 5 are equivalent rational number. Or you can multiply with 3, then 9 by 15 is equivalent to 3 by 5. Similarly, how many equivalent rational number you want, you can find out with the multiplication of different numbers. Now we will start exercise 3.1. First question, which are positive rational numbers? From these given number, you have to select only the positive rational number. So you can see first 5 by 8, it is a positive rational number. Second one is minus 3 by 11. So finally we will be having minus, so it will not come under positive number. Next 0 by 5. 0 is in numerator, so we can consider it as a rational number, 0 by 5. Then next number we have 7. This also we can write 7 by 1, which is a rational number. Next number minus 4 or minus 4 by 1. This is a negative number. After this minus 13, minus 3 by minus 13. So minus and minus will cancel out and finally you will get 3 by 13, which is a positive rational number. And similarly next one also minus 17 by minus 6. So minus minus will cancel out. So finally it will be a positive rational number. And last one we have only one minus symbol. So it will be a negative rational number. Next question number 2. Which of the following are negative rational numbers? So from here we have to select only the negative rational numbers. So only one minus symbol should be there. So here one symbol minus 5 by 7. In second one also only one minus 4 by minus 3. Third one we have 2 minus, so it will cancel out and finally it will be a positive rational number. Next minus 6, which we can write as 6 by 1 also, minus 6 by 1 also. Then next 9, it is a positive rational number. 0 is also a positive rational number. Then next minus 28 by 5, that is a negative rational number. Next question number 3. Find 4 equivalent rational number to each of the following. So first is 3 by minus 7. 4 equivalent number you have to find out. So first multiply it by 2 up and down. Then multiply it by 3. And then 4. Next 5. You can choose any number. It is not compulsory 2, 3, 4, 5. You can multiply with 6, 7, 8 or with any other number. So but if you have choice, in that case always choose easy number. Calculation will be easy. 3 to 6 by minus 14. Then 9 by minus 21. And 12 by minus 28. 15 by minus 35. These are the equivalent rational numbers. Second part, minus 5 by 9. So same thing you have to do. First multiply it with 2. And in second case you can multiply with 3. Then you can multiply with 4. And with 5. Then write the product. Minus 10 by minus 18. Minus 15 by minus 27, minus 20 by minus 36 and minus 25 by minus 45. These are the equivalent rational number. Next question number 4. Write each of the following rational number with positive denominator. It means this denominator you have to make it positive. So here this negative symbol we can shift it up and we can write it as minus 4 by 9. In second case also we can do the same thing. Negative symbol you can shift up, minus 17 by 33. In third case you can see here minus to minus will cancel out and then it will become 15 by 38. So in all the three cases now denominator is having plus symbol. Question number 5. Express 5 by minus 9 as a rational number with numerator 20. So this numerator, this 5 we have to make 20. So to make it 20 we need to multiply with 4. So multiply it with 4. 5 by minus 9 multiply with 4 by 4. With numerator also, with denominator also. So it will become 20 by minus 36. Second case, numerator minus 35. So 5 by minus 9. This you have to make 35. So it means we have to multiply with 7. 7 5 35 and 9 7 63. Third case, denominator minus 54. So now denominator we will check. This 9 we have to make minus 54. So 9 6 54 is there. So we will multiply with 6 up and down. So it will become 30 by minus 54. Fourth part, denominator 72. So we have 5 by minus 9. So this minus 9 we have to make plus 72. It means we have to multiply with minus 8. And 5 8 40 minus 40 and minus 9 into minus 8 will become 72. Next question number 6. Express minus 80 by 112 as a rational number with numerator minus 5. So this 80 minus 80 we have to change to minus 5. So to make it minus 5 we have to divide by 16. So same with same number we will divide denominator also. So 80 if you divide by 16 you will get minus 5, and 112 when you will divide by 16 you will get 7. So answer is here minus 5 by 7. Second one is with denominator minus 14. So to make it minus 14, this 112 you have to make it minus 14. So to make it minus 14 you have to divide it by 8. So divide it by minus 8 because we have want minus 14. So same thing we will do up also. We will divide numerator also with minus 8. So this thing will become 10. Minus 80 divided by minus 8 is 10. And 112 divided by minus 8 is minus 14. Next question number 7. Which of the pair represent the same rational number? So we have to check whether these two rational numbers are equivalent or not. So here we can do the cancellation. 7 1 is 7 and 7 3 is 21. So we will get here minus 1 by 3. And here after cancellation we will get 1 by 3. So numerically it is same, but symbol wise it is not same. So we will write here not same number. For second one, now first we will do the cancellation. With 4 table you can cancel 4 4 ja and 4 5 ja. So this thing will become minus 4 by 5. And here the second one, 20 by minus 5, do the cancellation, 5 4 ja and 5 5 ja. So this one you will get minus 4 by 5. So after cancellation we are getting minus 4 by 5. It means these both are same. Third part, minus 3 by 5 minus 12 by 20. So here this is already in simplest form. We cannot cancel anything, but this second one we can cancel with 4 table. 4 3 is 12 and 4 5 is 20. So it has reduced like 3 by 5 and minus 3 by 5. So both are same numerically also and with symbol also. So these both are same. Fourth part, 8 by minus 5 minus 24 by 15. So this is already in simplest form. This we can cancel. With 3 table, 3 5 are 15 and 3 8 are 24. So we have minus 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5. These two also are same rational number. Next question number 8, fill in the blank. So here denominator is given, numerator we have to fill. And here numerator is given, denominator we have to fill, and here also we have to fill the denominator equivalent to this given fraction. So you can see here, first you see how we are getting denominator. 4 4 ja 16. So 5 4 ja 20. So first step what we have done, here we have multiplied with 4. So here also we will multiply with 4. So 5 4 ja 20 we will get here. Now for this second one you can see 5 5s are 25. So here to here what we are doing? Here to here we are multiplying with 5. 5 5s are 25. So same thing we have to do down also. 4 we have to multiply with 5. 4 5s are 20 we will get. Then check for the last one. 5 into minus 3. So what we have done here? We have multiplied with minus 3. So down also we have to multiply with minus 3. 4 into minus 3 minus 12. Second part. Now start with denominator. 7 into 2. So this 7 if we multiply with 2 then it will become 14. So same thing we have to do for numerator. Multiply with 2. Minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Now check for the second one. 3. What we are doing here? We are multiplying. Minus 3 into minus 3 will become 9. So here also we have to multiply with minus 3. So here we multiplied with minus 3. Down also you multiply with minus 3. So 7 into minus 3 minus 21. Here minus 3 to make minus 6 we have to multiply with 2. So down also multiply with 2. So it will become 14. After multiplication with 2. Next question number 9. Reduce in the standard form. So whatever is common in numerator and denominator that we have to cancel out. So these two number you can see both are number coming in 15 table. 15 2s and 15 3s. So you will get minus 3 by 2. If you don't know the 15 table then you can cancel with 3 table and 5 table. Once you have to cancel with 3 table then cancel with 2 table. Cancel with 5 table. Next one 16 by minus 36. So you can cancel with 2 table or you can cancel directly with 4 table. So if you cancel with 4, 4 4 is 16 and 4 9 is 36. So answer will be minus 4 by 9. Third part minus 3 by minus 15. So minus and minus we can cancel. 3 1 is 3 and 3 5 is 15. So answer will be 1 by 5. 68 by minus 119. So it will come in 17 table. 17 4 is 68 and 17 7 is 119. So answer will be minus 4 by 7. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching.